Maths Magic Tricks, friends. Again, I am giving you one shortcut in chapter number 6, application of derivative, where you can solve the 4-marker sum just in one step. So, I am giving one MCQ which you can solve just in one step. If you go by method, then this sum will be minimum of 1 or 2 page. So how you can reduce this question just in one step? So friends, first of all, question is given to you like this. Find a point on a curve which is nearest from 0, 5 and also a point lies on the curve x square equal to 2y. So I am giving you one method which is called trial and error method, from where you can solve this question by using just only options. So friends, how can you solve this question by using options only? So first of all, by question check out of this 4 option which point lies on the curve. For example, 2 root 2 and 4. So first put x equal to 2 root 2 over here and put y equal to 4 over here. If it satisfies the given equation, then maybe this option is possible as an answer. So friends, first of all put x equal to 2 root 2 and y equal to 4 over here. It is satisfying the question, so maybe option A is correct. Now, is 0, 0 satisfying the given question? 0, 0 also satisfying the question, so maybe 0, 0 can be your answer. Now see, 2 root 2 comma 0, it is not satisfying this question, because if you are substituting x equal to 2 root 2 over here and y equal to 0, LHS not equals to RHS, friends. Right? So this option can't be true. Now 2 comma 2. Is 2 comma 2 satisfying the question? Just check over it. So if you replace x by 2 and y by 2, equation is also satisfying. So maybe option D could be a correct answer. So now friends, C is not an answer. Answer can be option A or option B or option D. Now you check the second point. You have to verify second point. What is second point? This point is on the curve, but it is nearest from point 0.5. So check the distance formula between the question point and option point. Whichever the distance is minimum, that will be your correct answer. So for the same purpose, apply distance formula. So friends, suppose this point is P05 and say option A is point Q, 2 root 2 comma 4. See over here friends, what is the distance between P and Q? Apply distance formula. Under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So what is your answer? Root 9, so 3. So distance from 0.5 to option A is 3 units, friends. Now distance from 0.5 to 0, 0. So option B से आपका distance होगा friends 0.5 and 0, 0. इन दोनों के बीच distance formula apply करोगे, so you will get the answer 5. And lastly friends, we know that 2, 2 also lies on curve. Now apply distance formula between 0.5 and 2, 2. So for option D, what is your answer between distance of 0.5 and 2, 2? So it will be within root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Approx friends, root 13. Right? So root 13 means approx 3 point something. So here you are getting distance 3. Here you are getting distance 5. And here you are getting distance square root 13. So out of these 3 distances, whichever the distance is minimum, that point will be your answer. So here your answer is, friends, option number A, means 2 root 2 comma 4. So what you are basically doing, friends, 2 root 2 comma 4, यहाँ से 0,5 का डिस्टेंस मिनिमम था फ्रेंड्स, और 2 root 2 comma 4 on the curve भी था. So your answer is option A, where point lies on the curve as well as its distance from 0,5, that is minimum, nearest. But if in this question, the question could be asked like this, the point which is far away from 0,5, then also you can use options, point on the curve, and out of these three distances, whichever the distance is maximum, that will be your answer. So in that case, your answer should be option B. Right? So I am repeating once again. If point is nearest to 0,5, answer is option A, friends. But if I change like this, point is far away from 0,5, then option B will be correct. Question can be asked in any of the way, but by method, you are actually wasting your 10 minutes, but now you can give the answer just in 1 minute. Whatever the fundamentals can be changed, your answer will be either in 1 or in 2 steps. So friends, again, if you like my shortcut, please like, share and subscribe my video, and I will also give the next shortcut in the next videos, friends. Thank you very much, friends.